guys, so here, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing this makeup look, you guys. Some of you guys requested me to do a BYS Prom makeup look. If only nung high school pa ako marunong ako ng ganito, I would do my own makeup because you guys, thank God wala akong pictures nung JS Prom ko 3rd year and 4th year high school. It wasn't good. A lot of blues and silvers. Ewan ko, yan yung uso noon eh. Tsaka. Oh well, as usual, simple lang to, very dali lang sundin. You do not have to have the products that I will be featuring right here. Just something similar will do. I chose this look because I just think it will look good with whatever you wear because it's very neutral as you guys can see. But yeah, without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys how I achieve this makeup look. I hope you enjoy. I'm starting off with a bare face. I only have moisturizer on. And then I'm taking my favorite BB cream. This one is from e.l.f. By all means, you can use foundation if you want to, but if you don't really need that much coverage, I highly recommend a BB cream because it's way lighter than a foundation. And I'm using a mushroom brush in here, you guys. This is the best foundation brush I have ever tried. It just blends in the foundation really nicely. And yeah, I have been using this non-stop. It's my favorite. I do not know about you guys, pero kapag merong mga event like prom or whatever event sa school na of course kasali ako, hindi ako nakakatulog ng maayos the night before that. A good concealer will be really handy. I'm using here my Mary Kay concealer. I have been loving a lot lately this small stippling brush that I got from VACosmetics to apply my concealer for my under eyes. It just works really good. It blends the concealer really nicely. It gives a really nice flawless finish. And then I suggest you do the baking technique, especially for your under eyes, just to make sure na hindi magki-cake up yung under eye concealer mo and just to make sure na magsistay po talaga yung concealer mo for a long time. I'm pretty sure this is not the right way of baking the powder, but this is what I do and it works for me. So I am just applying a lot of powder on my face, especially on my under eyes. Let it stay there for a few minutes and blend it later. And then for my brows, I am actually using a different eyebrow product because I just dyed my hair and I need my brows to match my hair. As usual, I'm starting from the arch of my brows to the tip and then that part of my brows right there onto the arch and then working my way to the inner corner. Just really lightly line my inner corners because we don't want that harsh inner corner. And I'm taking a spoolie to blend everything in, and then it's time to blend in the powder because I will be defining my brows with a concealer later on. I am using my current favorite powder brush. This is from Moonkini. I will leave the link of where you can get this below. I am just gonna use the same Mary Kay concealer to define my eyebrows. As I mentioned in my eyebrow routine video, it just gives that extra oomph into your eyebrows. Meron talagang nakikitang difference if you define your eyebrows with a concealer. And then onto the eye makeup. Of course, we should start with the eyelid primer. It just makes your eyeshadows last longer. It also helps you get the actual color payoff of your eyeshadows. For my eyeshadows, I'm gonna use the BYS Nude 2 palette. And then I'm taking the VIP shade from the palette. This is the only matte brown shade. I'm using that as my transition color. I'm using a blending brush right here, a fluffy blending brush. Next shade I will be using is the shade Flirt. I am just gonna apply that all over my lids and also lightly dabbing it on the inner corner just to highlight the inner corner of our eyes. Now you can stop right there and proceed with your liquid eyeliner and then false eyelashes and then finish up your eyes. But I wanted to add more onto this makeup look, so I'm taking Midnight from the same palette, apply it on the very outer corner of my eyes using a different blending brush. I'm using the e.l.f. blending brush. It is not as fluffy compared to the blending brush that we used on the crease a while ago. But yeah, just apply the black onto the very outer corner and then blending it in the middle. And then I'm going back to the brown and the black shade, mixing that together and apply it on my lower lash line from the very outer corner to the middle. Do not go all the way to the inner corner because in the inner corner we will be using the shade Flirt, the same shade we applied in our lids. So you guys, we only used 3 eyeshadow shades for this look. And then I am lining my eyes with my favorite liquid eyeliner. This one is from Sansan. I'm not creating a dramatic cat eye with this look because I'm gonna put on a really dramatic eyelashes. Then I'm curling my eyelashes, and yes you guys, I forgot to put on mascara, but it's okay. We have this again dramatic eyelashes, so doesn't really matter in my opinion. This eyelashes is from Hermosa shop. Again, link will be below. This is my favorite eyelashes of all. Like, it's a really nice thick, dramatic, but not like overly dramatic eyelashes, if you know what I mean. I just really like this, and yes, I'm struggling to put this on. I am not a pro, I'm sorry. And then I'm just applying liquid eyeliner just to cover up the mess that we did. Then I'm ready to finish up my face. I'm using the blush, the bronzer, and the highlight that comes in the kit. For the highlight, I am just applying it on the bridge of my nose, and also do not forget to highlight your brow bone. For the lipsticks, I have two shades right here. The first one I am putting on is the Maybelline Colorshow Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Lively Violet. It's a really nice pinkish nude shade and smells really freaking good. Next lip color is also from Maybelline. This is the Color Sensational lipstick in the shade Warm Me Up. I really like this shade with this look. I don't know, I just really like it. And yeah, that's basically it for this makeup. I hope you liked it. Yeah, that's basically it for that, you guys. Again, very simple, very easy to achieve. I am not a pro at makeup. I do not do this on a daily, but as you guys can see, I was able to do it. So I'm pretty sure you can do it as well. And also, let me know what lip color do you like best, this or the Lively Violet. That's it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Enjoy prom! I'm gonna film a haul because I'm so digging this makeup look right now. Yes, sir. I chose this look because I just think it will. I just think what? And also, let me know what. And also, what? What?